Welcome to Action Verbs Part 2. In this lesson, we will learn 5 essential daily action verbs: eat, drink, cook, sleep, and wake. These are common verbs you use every day when talking about food, beverages, and daily routines. Learning these verbs will help you describe your daily activities in English. The first verb is eat. Eat means to consume food by putting it in your mouth and swallowing it. When you eat, you are taking food into your body. Examples: I eat breakfast every morning. She eats lunch at noon. They eat dinner together. Notice that with he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb, eats. The second verb is drink. Drink means to consume liquid by putting it in your mouth and swallowing it. When you drink, you take liquid into your body. Examples: I drink coffee in the morning. She drinks water after exercise. They drink juice together. Like eat with he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb, drinks. The third verb is cook. Cook means to prepare food by heating it using an oven, stove, or other heat source. When you cook, you are making food ready to eat. Examples: I cook dinner every evening. She cooks pasta for her family. They cook together on weekends. Again, with he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb, cooks. The fourth verb is sleep. Sleep means to rest your body and mind by closing your eyes and being unconscious for a period of time. When you sleep, your body and mind are resting. Examples: I sleep 8 hours every night. She sleeps after lunch. They sleep well on weekends. With he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb, sleeps. The fifth verb is wake. Wake means to stop sleeping and become conscious. It means to open your eyes and get out of bed. When you wake, you stop sleeping. Examples: I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. She wakes before sunrise. They wake together and have breakfast. With he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb, wakes. Now let's look at how these verbs change in the simple present tense. In English, most verbs stay the same for I, you, we, and they, but for he, she, and it, we add an S to the end of the verb. For example, I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat. But he eats, she eats, it eats. This rule applies to all 5 verbs we learned today: eat, drink, cook, sleep, and wake. Let's practice with a simple conversation. Person A asks, "What do you eat for breakfast?" Person B answers, "I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee." Person A asks, "Do you cook dinner at home?" Person B answers, "Yes, I cook most evenings. I sleep well after cooking." Person A asks, "What time do you wake up?" Person B answers, "I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning." Try creating your own conversations using these 5 verbs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.